Hi everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of login problem on the application of Microsoft Teams. You click on settings. Here you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. On above here you will search about Microsoft Teams. In this page of app info you will go to first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to storage. Then we click on clear cache. In the end you will turn off your phone and you will wait a moment to restart your phone again to fix that problem. If it's not working with you, then you will just update your app on Play Store. So that's all. Don't forget to press the bell icon and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching and your attention.